everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. How are you today?
I am great, Paul. Thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am very happy. The sun is out. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day, and we have a new topic for our friends.
Oh, yes, a very important topic. It is good to know.
Exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and give us a like. It helps us a lot.
And share this with your friends and family. Let's all learn English together.
Okay, so, Emily, what is our topic today?
Today, we will talk about going to the doctor's office.
Ah, the doctor. Important, yes, but sometimes not so fun.
No, not fun. But we all need to go sometimes when you are sick.
Sick. Yes. Like when your head hurts.
Yes, when your head hurts or your tummy hurts.
My tummy. Ouch. That is not good.
Not good at all. So, Paul, let's pretend I am not feeling good today.
Oh no. What is the problem, Emily?
My head hurts and I feel hot.
Hot. Oh, maybe you have a fever.
A fever. Yes, I think so. So, what do I do?
You need to see a doctor. First, you call the doctor's office.
I call them. On the phone?
Yes, on the phone. Ring, 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 ring.
Okay, so I call. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I need to see the doctor, please."
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. Ah, that's easy.
Yes, very easy. And the person on the phone, the receptionist, will help you.
The receptionist.
Yes, receptionist. They are very helpful. They will ask, "What is your name?"
And I say, my name is Emily.
Good job. Yes. Then they will ask, "What is the problem?"
And I say, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Exactly. You tell them how you feel. It is important.
Okay, so name and problem. What next?
They will find a time for you. They will say, "Can you come at 2 o'clock?"
2 o'clock. Okay. I can say, yes, I can.
Perfect. Or if you are busy, you can say, "No, sorry, is 3 o'clock okay?"
Oh, good. So I can ask for a different time.
Yes, you can. It's a conversation. They want to help you.
That's great. So now I have a time, an appointment.
An appointment. Yes, that is the word. You have an appointment with the doctor.
My appointment is at 2 o'clock. Now I go to the doctor's office.
Yes, you go there, you walk in, and you see the receptionist.
The same person from the phone?
Maybe. Or maybe a different person.
Okay, so I go to the desk. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Emily."
That is very clear. I like that. Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Emily.
Yes, exactly. The receptionist will say, "Okay, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
Sit down. Okay, so I wait.
Yes, you wait in the waiting room. There are chairs. And maybe magazines.
Oh, magazines are nice. I can look at the pictures.
Yes, it helps the time go by.
And then, my name. The nurse calls my name. Emily?
Yes, a nurse. The nurse helps the doctor. The nurse will take you to a small room.
Okay. And I wait for the doctor in the small room?
That's right. The nurse might ask you some questions first.
More questions? Oh, my.
Just easy questions, like, how are you feeling?
Ah, okay. I can say, not so good. My head hurts.
Perfect. The nurse might check your temperature.
With the little thing for my ear or my mouth?
Yes, a thermometer, to see if you are hot.
A thermometer. Okay, I understand.
After the nurse, the doctor comes in.
The doctor. Hello, doctor.
Yes. The doctor will say, "Hello, Emily. What is the problem today?"
And I tell the doctor again, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Yes. You tell the doctor everything. Maybe your throat hurts too, or your ears.
My throat. Ah, like when it is hard to eat? Ouch.
Yes, that is a sore throat. You can say, "I have a sore throat."
I have a sore throat and I have a headache.
A headache, yes. That is the word for when your head hurts. Headache.
Headache. I like that word. It is easy. I have a headache.
Good job. So you tell the doctor, "I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever."
Wow. I am very sick. Sick.
Yes, in our story, yes, you are very sick. The doctor will listen. The doctor will nod and say, okay.
The doctor is very serious.
Yes, they are thinking. They want to help you. The doctor might say, "Okay, let me see."
Let me see. What will the doctor do?
The doctor will look in your throat. They have a small light. They will say, "Open your mouth and say, ah."
Ah. Like that?
Yes, exactly like that. Very good, ah.
Thank you, Paul. What's next?
The doctor might listen to your heart with a stethoscope.
A stethoscope. That is a big word.
It is a big word. It is the thing the doctors have around their neck.
Oh, I know that. Yes, they put it on your chest.
That's right. And they say, breathe in and breathe out.
In and out.
Perfect. You are a very good patient.
Thank you. I try my best. So the doctor looks and listens, and then
Then the doctor knows the problem. The doctor will tell you what to do.
the solution. What will the doctor say?
The doctor might say, "You have a cold."
A cold. Yes. When you sneeze. Achoo.
Yes, a chew is the sound. So you have a cold. The doctor will give you advice.
What kind of advice?
Simple advice, like you need to rest.
Rest? What does that mean?
Rest means sleep. And don't run or play. Just be quiet and calm.
Okay, so sleep a lot. I can do that.
Me too. The doctor will also say, drink a lot of water.
Water is good. I like water. So, rest and water. Anything else?
Maybe the doctor gives you medicine.
Medicine? Like a pill or a liquid?
Yes, it can be a pill or a liquid. The doctor writes it on a paper. This paper is a prescription.
Prescription. Okay, a paper for medicine.
Exactly. You take this prescription to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy? Is that the medicine store?
Yes, the pharmacy is the medicine store. You give the paper to the person there.
And they give me the medicine.
That's right. And they will tell you how to take it. For example, take 1 pill in the morning.
1 pill in the morning. Okay, I must remember that.
Yes, it is very important to listen to the doctor and the pharmacist.
So I go home, I have my medicine, I drink water, I rest.
Yes, and in a few days, you feel better.
Yay! I am not sick anymore. My head is good, my throat is good.
That's the best part, feeling good again. It is so good to feel healthy and happy.
Yes, to be healthy in your body is so important.
It is. And you know, Emily, sometimes we don't feel good, but the problem is not our body.
What do you mean, Paul?
I mean, sometimes the hurt is not in our head or our tummy, it is in our heart.
Ah, I understand. Like when we feel sad.
Yes, exactly. When we are sad. A doctor for the body cannot always help with that.
That is very true. Medicine from the pharmacy does not help a sad heart.
But in those moments, there is someone who can help. We can talk to God.
Talk to God? You mean like a prayer?
Yes, a prayer. It is a conversation. It is simple. You can tell God everything.
Everything? Like, hello, God, I feel sad today.
Yes, just like that. He listens. He is always there for us.
That is a nice thought, that He is listening.
It is, and He knows us. He knows our heart. He knows what we think and what we feel.
So He understands why we are sad.
Yes, exactly. He understands everything about us. Only He can help the sadness in our heart.
That is very comforting, Paul.
It is. And Jesus is the only one who can bring true and full joy to our heart.
A full joy. Not just a happy for one day, but a deep, happy feeling.
Yes, a joy that is complete. So, when your heart is sad, talk to God. Pray. It is the best medicine for the heart.
That is wonderful advice, Paul. Thank you for sharing that. It is about taking care of our whole self.
Yes, exactly. Our body and our spirit.
Well, this was a fantastic conversation, so very helpful in many ways.
I agree, Emily.
And a big thank you to all of our wonderful listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope this episode was helpful for you.
We would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. What is a new word you learned today?
That's a great question. Maybe appointment, or headache, or prescription? Let us know.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And please share this episode with your friends and family. Sharing is caring.
It is. Thanks again for listening, everyone. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Be healthy and happy.